This bird doesn't chirp. It sounds like it's loading a gun. This is the shoebill stork, and that loud clatter-clatter isn't a warning. It's how this bird says hello. When a shoebill is happy, it claps its massive beak, sounding like a machine gun echoing through the swamp. That oversized beak isn't just for noise either. It's strong enough to crush fish, frogs, and even baby crocodiles in one clean strike. Shoebills hunt like old-school cowboys. No chasing, no rushing. They just stand perfectly still, stare down their prey, and wait for the right moment to strike. Follow for more wild animal facts.